Thank you, Virginia. And following this topic, I have a question. I try to merge several questions we have received. Thank you to our audience. Saber or Fuad, sorry. How long does it take to train the AI algorithm if necessary? And how much data point are needed? And furthermore, is there a module solution based on a AI that can simultaneously measure losses in assembly lines, for example, Mori movement losses and so on?
Thank you, Roberto, for this question. It's the right topic actually to talk about. For the AI, you need to know what we did. For example, we used reading models as a product. So you will just select your parameters and you can use these models because they're available on cloud. They're available on the from the technology providers. What you need to know, you have some specific cases that are project based. So in this case, you need to take a long period, let's say 6 months, but you need to consider what we call contextualization. So the data that you will consider, this data should be contextualized. It means it is related to the same conditions in order to have the right outcome. So for the first case, we have reading models. I can tell you, you can plug and play. And the data points, it depends. For the second case, when it is a project, it depends on the project. It depends on what you want to achieve. You can use 100 data points. You can correlate also. So it depends on what you want to get out of this model. And by the way, when you design any model, you need to start from the business value, and you need to design it from business value, what you want to achieve. From that, you can define all the parameters. Today, the technology is allowing to analyze or to build AI models with a big number of data points. And in addition to that, and this is very important, today the technology is offering us the opportunity to have a plug and play. So reading models already trained, you just plug your data and you will start having your results.